Hi folks, today we are going to talk about how to install DaVinci Video Editor on Ubuntu, Mint and etc. As for me, DaVinci great video editor and I want to recommend you this one to create awesome video ever. Okay, open Blackmagic design page. Okay, let's go to install. It will take about 6 minutes. DaVinci Resolve 17 and we will download for Linux. Fill empty input fields and click the download button. Okay, I'm done. DaVinci Resolve version number 17. And what's next? The next step is the most important step ever. We have to download the script for rebuilding our DaVinci archive. Let's go to the certain page and download the script. Download latest version. Okay. Okay, here we go. You should follow me. First step, unpack archive DaVinci Resolve Linux zip. It will take you some. Next step, we should put make resolve dep script into the folder, DaVinci Resolve folder. Okay, and after that we should open any terminal what you want. Go to the directory, download DaVinci Resolve Linux. Let's check. Okay. We have to install some important libs before the main activity. I wrote the script under the video. You can copy it for saving your time. You're welcome. Yes. Okay, I'm done. After that, we can run the script, which converting from run script to dep. In other words, we will create dep package. Okay, I'm done, and finally we can install our dep package. We can open Blackmagic speed test, raw speed test. Suddenly my desktop is not bad. And we can open Blackmagic on DaVinci Resolve. Okay, it's okay, but I'm in virtual machine. I use virtual machine, and it's not good for me to use DaVinci. But it's okay. We installed it, and we're going to use it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe on me, and see you later. Bye.